Some of the people ask me on LinkedIn, and also one guy have personally emailed me that why I should intern at your journal. What's difference between your journal and other journals or other organization which are providing internship for their research and publications? So a simple answer to that, I thought I should make a video on that so that everyone can understand what's the difference between our internship and other internships. I'm not comparing it, but I am going to tell about the nuances of Just Corpus Law Journal's internship, so that you can come to know that what we are teaching to our students who are coming to do an internship in our journal, and what are the particular things which they learn from our journal, from our team, because we have a huge team only for the content interns, those who are coming for the internship of research, publication and writing. It's a content creator basically internship. We have given the name of content creators. Okay, firstly, I would like to tell you that we have successfully collaborated with Narshi Munje Institute of Management Studies, Bangalore, and Bennett University, Greater Noida, a Times of India Group university situated at Greater Noida. They have successfully collaborated with Just Corpus Law Journal for the internship program for their first year and second year students in this summer vacations. Though everything is vacation, everything is like vacation in this pandemic, but for the month of June and July, they have successfully collaborated, and we have served in a much better way than the other fields, other places where they have interned, and some might have not interned. They have successfully collaborated with us, and the feedbacks of the students who have interned in our journal have is, you can go and ask them on, also you can go and ask their mentors, those who have collaborated with us, like for the Bennett University, the particular internship cell, and also for the Narshi Munji, you can contact the internship cell and you can ask any of the students who have interned with us in the previous months. You will get a positive feedback, and I think a better feedback than the other internship program which are run by different organizations. You can go for that. So it's a huge thing that two universities internship cell has collaborated with our journal. That means we have something. That's why the people, the cell or the particular university are collaborating with us. Now coming on to the internship part, why one should do internship in our journal or in Just Corpus Law Journal. Firstly, we do not pressurize the students to simply write the blogs and articles. What we do is we help them from the scratch till the end of their internship, till from the day 1 till the 30th day, or the, you can say 31st day or 28 days, depending upon the number of days in the month, in a month. So starting from like how to choose a topic for a blog or an article, how to go for it. Like if you are writing a blog, you don't know the, because we in the previous months we have successfully conducted different internship in the internship, content creator internship in different months, and the feedback is positive. Also we keeps on growing, like we are conducting 4 frequent sessions for the doubt and for other things, for teaching different things with the previous internship batches. Now we will be conducting 6 to 7 frequent sessions, so that the people, the interns can learn different nuances and the different things, different aspects of this research, writing and publications. So we the team is suggesting the topic. If they are unable to choose, the team is helping how to write, like the what the structure, what should be the structure of a blog and an article, and how to go for it, how to do proper citations either in the blue book format or in the OSCOLA 4th edition, and also how to do formatting on MS Word. Like most of the people underlines the different text, the headings, headings should like a standard or in a normal way people are using ABC format, which is a normal font given in the MS Word, but some are using heading H2, H4, H6 also. So we teach them that what's the proper method to format your blog or an article which need to be submitted in our journal, like Times New Roman 12, line spacing 1.5. Everyone can do it, but what is the unnecessary spaces in the line spacing column? You have to add space before paragraph, add space after paragraph. You have to add it or not. We tell each and every aspect of formatting that this need to be done to format your blogs in an effective manner, and to adhere the guidelines and to follow the guidelines to fulfill the criteria of our blog section or the journal sections. Moving ahead with the plagiarism part, most of the law students don't know about Turnitin. What is Turnitin software? How and what is how it determines or calculates plagiarism? What is, like, if it shows 80% similarity, it's plagiarism or similarity. What is the difference between? We teach them how, what is a Turnitin, how the report is, how the report is available to you, and how you can eradicate the plagiarism from eradicate the plagiarism, and how to avoid that, because Turnitin is one of the recommended software across the globe, and we are using that software only for the plagiarism, for the copy content check. So we are working on the quality parameters, and we teach various nuances of Turnitin to our students. Coming on to the grammar part, most, I think 70% of the students and also the professionals uses Grammarly in their phones, in their desktop or laptop. We also teach to our interns that how to use it effectively, because there are n number of aspects that if you are going for Grammarly, it can be wrong also. Many people know, might know, or I don't know whether you people are knowing or not, it uses American English basically. Normally if you are installing it, it uses American English. What is the difference between British and American English? We also teach to our students, because that I can give a gist, like if you are writing COLOUR, the colors come in non-American. This spelling is a non-American spelling, but it changes as COLOR, which is a American English. So you need to see that it's a grammatical error or not, because it's not a grammatical error. It depends upon the language on which you are working or on which you are writing your blog. If you have written in the British English other than American English, then you need not to accept that error, because there is a accept option, green option appears. While on Grammarly, you can check out the video given in our channel also. On YouTube, you can check out the Grammarly video. It's shown that how to use Grammarly effectively. So we also teach them how to do that, how to select topics, how to write it, and how to publish it, and how to make the changes in that. If the how to see the comments, most of the interns, most of the people normally don't know how to see check comments in the MS Word format. So we also teach them how to write publications in their CVs. Like normally if a student of first year is writing, he can simply write that my article is published in this journal, or this is the topic of the journal. It's not a correct format. We teaches to our intern that how to write your publications in your CV, how to add your publication in your LinkedIn profile, how to give recommendation, how to ask a recommendation on LinkedIn. So there are n number of aspects which we are teaching, and I think this thing makes us different. Us, that means Just Corpus Law Journal, different from other journals or other organizations which are conducting these types of internships. I'm not saying that you won't go, you come to our organization, don't, and you need not to go other organization. It's your call. You, wherever you want to intern, you can intern. It's the video is a simple answer to those who want to know and who are curious to know why I should intern at Just Corpus Law Journal. I hope I have cleared the doubts and the things which need to be covered. Last but not the least thing, I would like to mention one of the India's edtech legal organization has collaborated with us in this month of August 2021. That is Lawsico. I think every law student know about Lawsico. Their placement cell has successfully collaborated with us for this month, and their students, Lawsico students, are interning with Just Corpus Law Journal. So I think it's a milestone which we have achieved, and which is showing our quality parameters and our internships valuation, or the things which we are teaching in our internship is helpful or not. You can judge on these parameters, and also seeing the collaborations. So I think, hope it clears your doubt, and if anything else you want to know, you can write it to on our email, support@justcorpus.com. Also, the internship application for September and October are open. You can join us in any of the months, either for September or for October. You need to simply send your application, that is your updated CV, in the PDF format on our email ID with proper writing the subject, you can check out my previous video how to format or how to send your internship application, and you need to send it on which month you want to do internship. You can write in that. We are successfully taking every intern. We are not rejecting on these things that you are a first year student or you are a final year student. It doesn't counts. If you have the willingness to learn, you want to learn various nuances of writing, research and publication, then Just Corpus Law Journal is the right place for you, because we do not discriminate on the colleges, on the basis of colleges, on the basis of your law school years, like first year, second year, third year. We are teaching to first year students to till final year. Also, n number of advocates or lawyers have successfully interned at our journal. They are, some of our PhD, like going for doing PhD also, some are LLM graduates also. So you can check out the status that on which we are going, on which parameters which we are working, so that you, if you want to intern, you can, we are always open for it. We can take any intern, any particular law student who don't know about this particular field of research, writing and publication. We have the courage and we are willing that you can come and join our journal as an intern. We will teach you how to write it, how to go for it and how to proceed in that. And in the upcoming sessions, hope upcoming like internship batches, hope we can successfully conduct n number of sessions with the eminent guests of different fields, so that they can the best mentor or the best advisor can advise you on these topics, that how to increase your writing skills and n number of things which are covered in that. Also, if you are an internship cell of an organization or an university, if you want to collaborate, you can write us at support@justcorpus.com. like we have successfully collaborated with two universities, Bennett University Noida and NMIMS Bangalore, and with LawSeco in this month. So if you want to collaborate for the winter, in the winter leaves, you want to collaborate winter breaks for your first year, second year or any of the years students, you can write to our email. We will be happy to collaborate with you. I hope I have cleared all your doubt. Thank you so much.